Maby. This Maby will be using with some red Solara. Alright? So some Solara or red cake with some local Maby. Alright? Welcome to my channel. Today I will be making some Maby. Alright? And on this plate here I have some, this is some Maby bark. I have some dry orange peel. I have spice and clove. I had a nutmeg peel or skin, whatever you call it. And also I have the 5-star. Alright. Also I have some water on this fire. So yes, this is a pot with water. Alright, I'm gonna let this, I'm gonna place everything that I just mentioned into this pot and let it boil. Alright, I'm gonna wait. Stay tuned. Look at it boiling. Now when this finished boiling like this, I'm gonna let it boil for another 2 minutes, and I'm gonna leave it and let it sit cold, and then we're gonna sweeten this. All right, most of the times we leave this overnight, you know, instead of using it right away. You wait until the next day, you know, so that it could be able to prove, and the Maby bag is soaking, and then you will be able to see the frothing coming up and all this kind of stuff. So that's it for now. Alright, I'm gonna let it boil for another 2 to 3 minutes, then I'm gonna turn the stove off and let it sit. Alright, stay tuned. This is the next day now. See the froth, and if you use a cup, now I'm gonna sweeten this, and also I have some cream soda. Cream soda I'm gonna use. This is a 2 liter. I'm gonna use 1 liter of this cream soda, right? Everything that I use in this to make this Maby, I will be listing it in the description bar. I just put 1 liter of cream soda into this, see, and also the sugar. I use a pound of sugar. All right, let me taste it. Ooh, bitter. What I do? Hold that though. My God, put like 2 pounds of sugar in this to kill the bitter taste. See it? Tastes a little better. So I'm going to strain this. You know, I can't show you everything that I will be doing because I'm going to take out this the bark. Alright. Oops. Everything that I put in here, I'm going to take it out, strain it, and then I'm going to bottle it off, put it in the fridge. Alright. I did remember when we walked together, sharing love, real life forever. Every day I wake up and I try to wake up to the memory of that. Every day I wake up and I try to wake up. Yeah, that's the fire, then I cry harder. Lord, you so yeah. Okay. Stay tuned. So this is it. Now you could use your hand. This is me. This is my drinks. I can use my finger. And you know back home again, you store it. Because you want it to cold and refreshing. You know? And as you know, once the Maby froth up like this, you know that it really set. Alright, so you have to leave this Maby for set for 2 or 3 days before you really make it. Not right away, you know. I'm not gonna taste it. Boy. See? So this is the real jug for this. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Please do not skip the ads. Please do not skip my ads in order for me to get a little revenue. This is what makes I get a little change, guys. And I really appreciate if you can stop skipping the ads so that I can get some change in my pocket. Alright, thank you guys for your love and support. Thank you for those who have been with me from day one, for all your positive comments and your encouragement. I really appreciate you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Without you, I know I can't do this, and I must remind you and tell you how much I really appreciate and thank you. And again, coronavirus is still out there. We all have to still wash our hands. We still have to wear masks. And we have to be very careful about ourselves and our family member and friends that you're going to be interacting with at the daily basis. Alright? Thank you again. And as we all say, peace and love. unity. Mwah. Stay blessed and safe. All right, see you in the next one. Maby, guys, local, nice, tasty, refreshing Maby. Now you could use this with some puri, egg ball, channel, anything of your choice. All right, bye bye. Mwah.